Hi, welcome back to our channel, and it's time for Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi unboxing, quick review, and why we switch. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. We offer different types of videos such as vlogs, unboxing, how-tos or tutorials, and sometimes cooking videos as well. And we upload every week. I hope you enjoy and happy viewing. Bakit kami nag-switch from PLDT to Globe? Nung lumipat kami, nag-average na kami ng 1 to 3 Mbps sa new location namin. And malayo-malayo siya sa 10 Mbps na nakukuha naming average before sa city. So one time, nag-internet ako gamit ng phone ko and I'm using Globe SIM. May LTE signal naman kami dito sa new location namin. So nag-try ako mag-speed test. And after ng speed test, unang speed test, natuwa ako. So re-record ko ito, second speed test na ito. So yan. Yan yung speed na nakukuha namin sa new location. And yan na yung reason kung bakit kami nag-switch from PLDT to Globe. Let's do a quick unboxing of the Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. And again, this is 1,999 pesos only. And it has free 10 GB for 7 days as well. And hindi namin to in-unbox or inactivate nung binili namin since baka magka-problema. So in-unbox na namin talaga siya dito sa bahay. Kasi nga, 'di ba, hindi mo pwedeng ilipat-lipat. So kung na-activate na siya sa city, kung saan namin siya binili, baka doon lang siya gumana. So, to make sure, dito na lang namin siya sa bahay unang ginamit or inactivate talaga. So, let's go. Dito, actually nakasulat na lahat dito ng kailangan mong gawin para ma-activate yung Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. You just have to read everything dito. Plug and play, no monthly fees, faster internet, connection, blah blah blah. Go! So this is the modem. And by the way, the one that we got is the bigger version. There's a smaller version of this. And sabi nila mas latest to. And yung smaller version, this is how it look like. Yan. Siyempre, ang kasama dito, obviously, LAN cable. Wait na. The LAN cable which is connected here, yellow port or the LAN port. And then AC adapter connected dito. So, yung SIM card, nandito na rin siya sa loob. Dito. Yung number ng SIM card, if for example, nawala nyo to, don't worry kasi nandito din naman yung number ng SIM card. And there's instructions as well at the back. How to download the Globe at Home app for you to activate the 10 GB na din and to track your usage. And other inclusions is yung user guide, warranty certificate, and of course, quick start. Kung matyaga ka magbasa, nandito na po lahat. Yan. So, balik tayo sa modem. Yan. So, titignan natin yung mga parts niya. Again, this is the power indicator, network indicator, or network indicator. This is the Wi-Fi or WPS indicator, LAN. Ito, nag-on lang siya pag connected yung LAN cable niya. And then, this is the signal indicator. So, sa likod, again, this is the para sa AC adapter, tsaka sa LAN. Sa taas naman, nandito yung dalawang external antenna. And then, at the top, WPS button, tsaka power button. Yan yung power button, parang reset button na din siya. Kasi ito, pag plinag mo na siya, automatic na siyang nag-on. So, hindi mo na kailangan pindutin yung power. And, by the way, sa baba, makikita mo yung SSID at saka yung default password na din. User at default password na din. So, after natin ma-unbox ang PLDT Home Wifi, after natin ma-unbox itong Globe at Home Prepaid Wifi, next step na gagawin mo is to download the Globe at Home application. Makikita mo siya sa Google Play at App Store.
Globe at Home app. Teka muna, mamaya na maglambingan. Makinig muna mga kaibigan. Globe at Home app, easy to download. Punta lang sa Google Play o sa App Store.
And then, pag na-download mo na yon, just follow the instructions. Unang-unang tatanungin sa'yo ni Globe app is yung number ng modem or ng SIM card, which is, sabi kong nasa likod ng modem. Yan. Sa likod ng modem. Or, nandun sa lalagyan ng SIM card. And then, follow mo lang instructions. And then, makikita mo na lang doon yung activate 10 GB.
Pindutin ang link sa taas ng screen.
How to load your Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. So, you can load your Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi via Globe at Home app, GCash, *143 number sign.
The Tinang 143, I remember you and me with the star before 1 and the hashtag after 3. Piliin ng my account, tapos Globe at Home, tapos Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi.
SMS, auto load max, and online. Ayan. Ang kagandahan din pala ng Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi modem is mas mabilis siyang mag-boot kaysa sa PLDT. So, ayan siya. Trinay namin siyang record para makita yung difference ng dalawa. Okay, pagkatapos ng lahat, nakapag-set up ka na, na-download mo na ang Globe at Home app, speed test naman tayo ng mabilisan. So sa amin, ito yung nakuha naming speed test after naming na-set up yung modem sa isang lugar. Yan siya. And by the way, quick tip, hanapin nyo lang yung pinakamagandang pwesto sa bahay nyo siguro or sa kwarto nyo kung saan yung pinakamalakas na signal or kung saan yung spot na pinakamalakas ang signal sa bahay nyo. Kasi ganoon din yung ginawa namin. Lipat-lipat namin yung modem hanggang sa nakakuha kami ng speed na mabilis sa isang area. And hindi na namin siya tinanggal doon. Doon na lang siya. there you go. Thank you for watching and sana natulungan namin kayo. And for those of you guys na nagbabalak pa lang bumili ng Wi-Fi sa bahay, it's either PLDT or Globe, check nyo muna sa phones nyo kung may LTE signal kayo dyan, and check nyo na rin yung speed kung meron man, 'di ba? Para makita nyo or ma-decide nyo kung anong bibili nyo, PLDT ba or Globe, kasi syempre 2,000 pesos din yan, malaking bagay na rin yan. And ayun, if you have any questions po, just comment down below and sasagutin namin siya based sa experience namin. And kung hindi naman sa experience namin, i-research na lang din po namin para sa inyo. So yun, very active kami mag-respond sa mga comments nyo. And any suggestions, comments, reactions, you're very much welcome sa channel namin. And you can also check out our videos, other videos. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This is Jess and I'll see you next time.